This video is brought to you by mywayteaching.com. Till now, we have talked about green plants which have chlorophyll and can make their own food. That means we have been talking about autotrophs. But some plants do not have chlorophyll and hence they cannot synthesize their own food. That means these are heterotrophic plants, and we have two main groups of such plants. They are parasites and saprophytes. Let's talk about them separately one by one. Let us start with parasitic plants, which are heterotrophs. That means they cannot produce their own food. Heterotrophic in nature. A plant which lives on or inside another organism and derives the food from it is called a parasite. Here, the organism on which it resides is called host. And actually, this definition goes for animals also. Sometimes the animal which reside into another organism, which will be called a host, are also called parasitic animals, about which we'll talk later. Here is a picture of a parasitic plant called cuscuta. Let us understand how these parasitic plants are able to reside on the host. What happens is, the parasitic plant, you can see this one, these yellow spiral. The parasitic plant climbs on the host plant from which they get all the food. Let's see this picture. So we have this host here and this parasite is climbing on it. A parasite plant produces certain special types of roots which are called sucking roots. Sucking roots, because it can suck nutrients from the host. So that is why they are called sucking roots, which penetrate into the host plant. Now the parasite sucks the food material from the host through their special roots. Some other examples of parasitic plants other than cuscuta are mistletoe, wheat rust, and corn smut. So we have been talking about plant parasites, but there are many animal parasites as well. Animal parasites. Now there are certain animals which also reside on other animals or plants for their food. And for example, you know that you get lice in the head. They derive all the nutrients from your skull. Then there are bed bugs. These are also parasites. We have leeches as an example of animal parasite, and mosquitoes are the most common of them.